8號西北烈風或暴風信號喺凌晨2點40分發出，預料本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺凌晨3點，超強颱風蘇拉集結喺香港東南偏東大約280公里，即喺北緯21.6度、東經116.8度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約10公里，移向廣東東部沿岸。過去幾個鐘頭，蘇拉逐漸靠近廣東東部沿岸，本港風力逐漸增強。8號烈風或暴風信號會喺今日大部分時間維持。按照現時預測路徑，蘇拉會喺今晚至明早相當接近本港，喺香港以南100公里內掠過。天文台會視乎本地風力變化，考慮係咪需要發出更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。雷達圖像可見蘇拉嘅完整眼壁同大風區正逐漸靠近本港，其外圍雨帶亦都正影響廣東東部沿岸。預料今日稍後本港天氣顯著轉壞，有狂風大驟雨，風勢猛烈。受風暴潮影響，沿岸低洼地區可能出現嚴重水浸，海面有巨浪同湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊，切勿進行水上活動。
The number 8 northwest gale or storm signal was issued at 2:40 in the morning. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 3 a.m., Super Typhoon Shaola was centered about 280 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.6 degrees north, 116.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour towards the coast of eastern Guangdong. In the past few hours, Shaola gradually edged closer to the coast of eastern Guangdong. Local winds are gradually strengthening. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force for most of today. According to the present forecast track, Shaola will be rather close to Hong Kong tonight and tomorrow morning, skirting within 100 kilometers south of Hong Kong. Depending on changes in local winds, the observatory will consider the need to issue higher tropical cyclone warning signals. Radar imagery depicts the well-defined eyewall and high wind areas of Shaola edging closer to Hong Kong. The outer rain bands of Shaola are affecting the coast of eastern Guangdong. Local weather is expected to deteriorate significantly later today, with heavy squally showers and violent winds. Under the influence of storm surge, there may be severe flooding in low-lying coastal areas. Seas will be high with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports.